Number 4, ma'am. Is number 4. Is number 4. Great. Yes, they are looking so pretty. Yes, they are so this nice family. I can feel. Hold your image. Hold your image with full expression. Dynamize. Great. Okay, now the important part is three persons, all of them have a thought bubble. He will say something or make some sound, make some dialogue to understand what is going on in this situation. Great. So, yes. So cute. Freeze.
Love you, baby.
Freeze. No, it's not over. I will touch you together. That means you have to express your thoughts together. Great, relax. Yes, clap for them, clap for them. Next. Hold. Now, hold the image. I will touch them together and they will continue their dialogues until I told them stop. Hold your image. Who is she?
Mother.
And who is he?
Father.
They thought they were right. Now I am asking you, what is going on in his thought bubble, in her thought bubble? What it could be? Calling father. Okay, calling father, right? That is the situation. That is the line. That is the storyline. I need the dialogue.
What happened to the baby?
What happened to the baby? Can you speak? What happened to the baby? Yes. I am going to change the space. You come here. Do it. Do the same image like this.
Put your one hand below, sir. In the baby.
Under the baby.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, third image, right? Live.
With dialogue.
With dialogues. Okay, 5, 6, 7, live.
Why the baby's crying?
I know. Why is crying?
Oh, she must be hungry. Make me water.
Okay, I'll do that.
Your mama is coming. Oh, she's going to sleep. Okay, now she's sleeping.
No, it should be there. It should be there. Yes, go. Yes, no. Mama, yeah. Yes.
I'm beautiful. I want to be Madhuri Dixit.
Relax. One more time.
Hear no evil.
Yes, dialogue.
पुदीना धनिया क्या चाहिए ले लो
Every day doing the same work.
One more time.
Every day doing the same work.
Yeah, dialogue.
I will run fast away.
In the dialogue. I'm the winner. Okay, ready? Thank you. Good, great. Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. This is a scene in a classroom. There is one particular boy who is very naughty and he bullies a particular girl who is quiet and sincere in her work. She has a friend, a girl who sits next to her.
The doctor gave the prescription to the nurse, and the nurse brought that sick lady to the attendants and advised to take all the medicines regularly and proceed to the laboratory for taste and all. And that's the scene for today. Thank you.